Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Mathematics from Zero, myself Bonti Hajurika. So last two videos we have discussed the basic concept and theories of integers, and today's video we will discuss NCERT exercise 1.1 and try to solve the questions. So let's start the questions. The first question it is given, following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. Okay, here 5 state name has given. Okay, so Lahul Spiti, Srinagar, Simla, Oti, Bengaluru, it is given. Now say here the initial point, that means 0 is here, and we know that all the positive on the number line, all the positive numbers are from right hand side, from 0 towards right hand side it is positive and towards left hand side it is negative. Okay, so here also first we will find out the places, at which place. Okay, so Simla it is 5, Oti it is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, it is what, 14 degree, it is 5 degree. Then Bangalore it is 20, 21, 22, 22 degree. Now come to the left hand side. Srinagar it is 0, -1, -2 degree. Then Lahul Spiti is at -5, -6, -7, -8 degree Celsius. Okay, now come to the questions, sub question. Question number A, observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Okay, so the first place, answer of A, the first place is what? Lahul Spiti. Lahul Spiti. What is the temperature? -8 degrees Celsius, because it is given temperature in degrees Celsius. Then next Srinagar. Srinagar. What is the temperature? -2 degree Celsius. Then Shimla. Shimla temperature is what? 5 degrees Celsius. Next Oti. Oti temperature is 14 degrees Celsius. Then Bengaluru. Bengaluru, the temperature is what? 22 degree Celsius. Okay, so this is the answer for question number A. Now, what is given in question number B? So for B, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place? So hottest is what? Bengaluru, and the coldest is Lahul Spiti. Okay, so for that I have to rub the question number A. You just pause the video and write it down. Now you have to write for question number B like that. The hottest place, the hottest place is Bengaluru, and the temperature is what? 22 degree Celsius, and the coldest place is Lahul Spiti. The temperature is what? Minus 8 degrees Celsius. Now what to do? We have to find out the difference. Now the difference between the two places equal 22 degree Celsius minus 8 degree Celsius. Okay. Now see, here this minus is multiplied with minus 8. So it will be minus into minus plus 22 degree Celsius plus 8 degree Celsius. Okay. So what answer you will get? You will get 30 degrees Celsius. Okay. This is the answer. Okay. Then come to the next. Question number C and question number D. So question number C answer. What is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? Okay. So here again I am writing the temperature. It is minus 8 degree, minus 2 degree, 5 degree, it is 14 degree and it is 22 degree. Okay. Now temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. Okay. Now difference is equal to temperature of Srinagar. I will write it first because the temperature of Srinagar is greater than temperature of Lahul Spiti. Okay. Temperature of Srinagar minus temperature of Lahul Spiti. Okay. So it will be what? Minus 2 degrees Celsius minus 8 degree Celsius. So it will be minus 2 degrees Celsius plus 8 degrees Celsius. Why it is positive? Negative into negative. Okay, because it is bracket is here. So it will be 6 degree Celsius. Next, for question number D. In question number D, what is given? Can you say temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together? For that, I have to rub the question number C again. So you have to pause the video and write it down. Okay. So question number D answer together. So what is the temperature? Temperature of Srinagar and Shimla Srinagar and Simla together is what? What is the temperature of Srinagar? Minus 2 degree Celsius and Simla 5 degree Celsius. Total, if we will combine both, then what answer we will get? 3 degree Celsius. Okay. Now come to the next question. Second part is less than the temperature of Simla. Okay. So what is the temperature of Simla? 5. So definitely 3 degree is less than 5. Okay. So 3 degree Celsius is less than 5 degree Celsius. So how to write? You have to write like that only. That means yes, it is less. Next come to the second part. What is given in the second part? is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? What is the temperature of Srinagar? Minus 2 degree. So, minus 2 degree is less than minus 2. Just a minute. Here it is asked that, okay, here it is asked that total, okay, together it is 3 degree. So, 3 degree Celsius is not less than minus 2 degree Celsius. That means what? So, temperature of Srinagar is only smaller than the temperature of together Srinagar and Simla. Understood or not? So, how we can write? Temperature is not less than temperature is not less than the temperature is not less than Srinagar. Okay, that means the temperature of Srinagar and Simla is not less than temperature of Srinagar. Okay, come to the next question. In question number 2, it is given, in a quiz, positive marks are given for correct and negative marks are given for incorrect answer. If Z's score in 5 successive rounds were 25 minus 5 minus 10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? Okay. So, this is positive. That means he has correct the answer. Minus 5. That means his answer is incorrect. Here also incorrect, correct and correct. So, total here up to 10, total 5 round completed. Then for the 6th round, what is the total at the end, at last? Okay. So, how to write? Solution, how to write? Total score of Jacks equal what? 25. To find out the total, obviously we have to do plus minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. Okay. Now first we have to break the bracket. How? Positive into negative, negative. Again here also plus into minus, minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. Okay. Now what to do? First we will write the positive number together. 25 plus 10 plus, sorry, it will be 15. You can write 10 also, no problem. Plus 10. Then minus 5 minus 10. After adding these 3 numbers, we will get 55 minus, see, these two are negative. So, when two numbers are added, that means what? See, minus 5 plus minus 10. So, can we write minus 5 plus into minus, minus 10? If two numbers are like that, then you have to remember that both are added. So, it will be what? Minus 5 minus 10, minus 15. So, what answer we will get? It will be 50, not 55, 50. So, answer we will get 35. Okay. So, answer you have to write total score at the end is equal to 35. It is very necessary to write the answer in word problem. Okay. I have no space, that is why I have not written, but you have to write like that. Hence, the total score of Zax at the end equal to 35. Okay. Come to the next. Here it is given, at Srinagar, temperature was 5 degrees Celsius on Monday. Okay. And then it dropped by 2 degrees. Dropped means temperature is decreased. Okay. What is the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? That means on Monday it was minus 5 degree. Then it is decreased by minus 2 degree. So then you have to find out the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday. Again, on Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Rose means it is the past tense of raise. Okay, so that means it is increased. Dropped means decreased. Rose means increased. What is the temperature on this day? Okay, so we have to write a solution. How to write? The temperature on Monday, it was what? Minus 5 degree Celsius. I have not written the name of the Srinagar, otherwise the statement will be too long. Okay. Now, temperature was dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. How to write? On Tuesday, temperature was dropped by 2 degree Celsius, that is minus 2 degree. Okay. So, what is the temperature on Tuesday? So, temperature on Tuesday, it was what? Minus 5 degree, minus 2 degree. It was decreased, that is why I have given minus 2. So, minus 7 degree. Yes. Again, on Wednesday, the temperature rose by 4 degrees Celsius. On Wednesday, temperature the temperature rose by 4 degree Celsius. That means it is increased. So, the temperature on Wednesday was what? Minus 7 degree on Tuesday. Then it is increased plus 4 degree. So, it will be minus 3 degree Celsius. So, you have to write the temperature on Wednesday is minus 3 degree Celsius. Okay? Fine. Come to the next question. Question number 4. It is given, a plane is flying at a height of 500 meter above the sea level. Okay, this is the sea level. Okay, at a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level, and the submarine is 1200 below. When it is given below, what is? Then it is negative. When it is above, it is positive. Okay, that one you have to remember. That means from the sea level. Now, see what is given? At a particular point, both the aeroplane and the submarine both are on the same point. Okay, same point. Now, you have to find out the distance between the aeroplane and the submarine. Okay. Now, how to write? Solution. height of the plane is what? 5000 meter. Okay. Now depth of the submarine is 1200 meter. Okay. Now vertical, it is called the vertical direction. Okay, and this is the horizontal direction. So vertically at what distance? Okay, so distance between them, the distance between them equal what? 5000 meter minus 1200 meter. Why it is minus? Because it is below word, it is given below. Okay, that is why negative. So that means 5000 meter plus 1200 meter. So total distance is 6200 meter. Okay. So the distance, the vertical distance is vertical, answer you have to write, vertical distance between them is 6200 meter. Okay. Now come to the next question 5. Mohan deposits. The deposit word meaning is that deposits means you have to take you have to invest money either in the bank or someone, and withdraw means you have to take it out. So deposits we are considering as positive and withdraw we are considering as negative. Okay. From it, the next day, if withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposits? Okay, that means total 2000 rupee you have and in the account. Okay, and from that amount 1642 rupees withdraws. That means taken out. So what is the amount? Okay, so how to write? Amount of deposit equal to what? Rupees 2000. Okay, then amount of withdrawal equal 1642. Okay, now total deposit. Now what to do? Total deposit, total balance, we have to write total balance equal what? Earlier it was 2000, then from that 1642 is taken out. The remaining money is what? 358. Okay, so how to write? The balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal is what? Rupees 358. Okay. So next question. This is the last question for today. Question number 6. Rita goes 20 km towards east from the point A. From point A toward east to B 20 km. Okay. From B she moves 30 km towards west. 30 km towards west. Okay. Along the same direction, if the distance towards east is represent positive, it is positive. How will you represent the distance towards west? Definitely if it is positive, it will be negative. Then by which integer will you represent her final position? That means first she has gone from A to B, then B to at this. Okay, so we have to do 20 plus minus 30. Okay, so you have to write distance solution how to write distance towards east equal to 20 km. Okay, again distance towards west, within the bracket you can write negative integer. That means minus 30 km. Okay, so her final position from A, her final position from A is what? 20 plus minus 30. Answer will come in kilometer. So it will be minus 10 kilometer. Okay. So what answer we will get? How will you represent the distance traveled towards east? It is negative. We will represent by negative. And what by which integer will you represent her final position from A? So her final position from A is, hence final position from A is minus 10 kilometer. Okay, so for today that's it. So in the next class we will discuss from question number 7 to 10 from exercise 1.1 NCERT book only. Okay, till then you just keep watching my videos. Thank you and have a nice day.